Ladies and gentlemen, and things that go skitter in the night, welcome back to Rabbi Joe's Midnight Monster Manor. Tonight's feature is Killers from Space. But before the bug-eyed aliens zap another hapless scientist, let's hear a word from our sponsor, where we can zap your hunger at the Astron Delta Bug Zapper Bistro.
Tired of space bugs chewing up your picnic? Zap them and snack them at the Astron Delta Bug Zapper Bistro. Tuesday nights are all you can zap. If it fries, it flies onto your plate. Fresh, crispy, still crackling.
Step right up. We catch them fresh from the asteroid belt, then fry them till they glow. Tonight's special? Roach Wellington, flaky crust, extra legs. And for our kosher observant friends, we have locusts and grasshoppers straight from the 8th plague menu. Fried, spiced, or manna glazed, because nothing says kosher like eating what once ate up your crops. Come for the buzz, stay for the crunch at the Astron Delta Bug Zapper Bistro, where the food's so good, even the aliens phone home for seconds. Now back to Killers from Space. Try not to blink, or you'll miss the specials.